Hello guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing from the 22A collection. I got two items at the boutique and let's unbox them one by one. The first item I got is the Chanel CC logo earrings in gold color with the lion sculpture. As you know, Coco Chanel was born in August, so lion was her horoscope. And the second item, as you can tell, I have a bigger box, so it's likely to be a handbag. Can you guess what it is? I only like mini bags and in classic style. There you go. I got the Chanel top handle mini rectangular in black lambskin with champagne gold hardware. It's microchip inside and it is exactly the same size as the classic mini rectangular but has a top handle. And of course the chain cannot be adjustable. That's it. But before you go, I want to inform you a quality issue of Chanel. So as you can see from the photo here, the inside of the bag, it's not flat. You can see the leather is sort of sticking out. And so right after that, I told my Chanel SA what the heck is going on and can I get a refund? Can I get an exchange? And she told me actually the other Chanel top handle mini that her colleague gets, it's also having the same issue. And therefore, I suspect that this entire batch of the top handle mini has the same problem. And so eventually what I did is I just stuffed the paper inside, and after a few days with my back insert as well, that the leather piece just become flat. So I feel like this is one of the quality control step they mislook during the manufacturing process. And I was very disappointed that this happened to me because this never ever happened to me. So I was very disappointed, but eventually I was also happy that because of my back insert, the problem got solved. But I would be very cautious in buying Chanel handbags again. So I'm very happy I got the top handle mini, but I'm not happy about the quality issue. Still, I use that top mini handle a lot and I'm really enjoying it. So that's it for my little video today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.